How I quit the power grid with no degree, no $20,000 loans, and no permit headaches. From this bill to this zero, look at that savings. Fucking magic, people. Listen closely, get your tools ready, get your garage ready, get everything fucking ready, because I'm about to give you the most insane power hack and put you on the real game. I was drowning in utility debt, always just had disconnection notices all over, like I'm talking freezing in the winter. I was so insecure about my finances that I couldn't even turn on the heater without having a meltdown. I couldn't even look at the thermostat. But I'm going to show you how I ended all that with no professional help, no massive loans, no insanely expensive corporate solar. Starting with the panels, I use second-hand panels for whenever I need juice, volts, or amps, which is a massive money saver that people don't talk about if you don't wire it right. And then, step 2, bitch, this is the holy grail. I don't give a fuck what the utility says, because the DIY battery bank, write this down, this insanely secured my home specifically during hurricanes and everything, but it secured my wallet. I put my neighbor on this, I put my sister on this, I put my boss on this. You can use this as a primary source overnight as well. Baby, there's a secret method to this. Take the plans in your hand, make sure your mind is open. By the way, you skeptical bitch, because you can't keep paying the monopoly and expect financial freedom. Take about this much effort, put it all together. I know you're wondering, bitch, it's safe. We start careful. You're going to build this for a weekend and consistently test it, and after you run it for 1 minute, let it run for another minute. Once it's done running, we're going to cut the cord. And like I said before, no scams, this is literally my electricity, no bills, no nothing. Once that's all done, do not fucking call the fucking power company. Do not use the same grid you just broke free from. Immediately after that, we're going to check our setup. And as you see, this is fucking not sponsored. I use this bitch up to the max. This was my holy fucking grail. It's a pure system called the Reliable Converter. This shit changed my fucking life. It runs fridges. It can run the TV. There's so many fucking functions for this shit. It's powerful, but it feels so silent when it hums in your garage. And for my people with medical devices, this really helps with that as well. It's going to really brighten up your life and make everything fucking work. You see that? That's literally right after fucking plugging it in. If I'm using heavy tools, yes, I use backup, but I turn on this solar setup, and I promise you, it's so good, it's the face of freedom, and it's blackout free. This is for storm-prone areas, because the grid tends to crash more than anything fucking else I've ever used, and there's no fumes. I know this looks like a complex system, but we're going to break it down simply, and everything, it literally gives me a huge difference in lifestyle, like my house is fucking glowing right now. And to my people who stay till the end, I have the biggest fucking savings and survival secret for you ever. Specifically, if you have greedy utility rates, this is a trick called energy harvesting. You can go massive with this, but I would definitely start small. This is what truly cleared all of my monthly expenses alongside the battery bank. It cleared it all the way up. And then, finally, I just flipped the breaker and look at that. Literally, look at that. Click the link in bio to get the plans. Love you guys. Bye.